Hey, what's up, people? How you doing? My name is Joseph Ward. I am the founder, author, and creator of On the Shoulders of Giants, where we bring African history to you at your fingertips and on the go. I'm here today to introduce you to On the Shoulders of Giants and bring you into my world and explain to you why I do what I do and why I think your support is very, very, very impactful to the movement that I'm working to create. I was doing a educational class about 6 years ago at a predominantly black school with young girls, and I was doing an activity where the young ladies needed to describe the person whose name is written on the card without giving away full details, but giving clues and letting people guess who the people are on the cards. And I did my best to put names of famous people. Now, it's a predominantly black school, so on one of the particular cards, the name Harriet Tubman is on there. Now, I'm fully aware that our youth are not educated on African history at that time. I'm fully aware of that. But this particular day, something was set off into me. I gave them the cards with Harriet Tubman. It was 7 classes, and none of the young ladies knew who Harriet Tubman was, and that made me angry. I had no idea what to do, but I was angry, and my thought was, I need to teach African history. I need to get the history out. I need to get this information out. Some way or another, get this information out. I was talking to a mentor of mine. He suggested I start a blog. So On the Shoulders of Giants started as a blog. Then it grew into a YouTube channel where I have my videos, and now it's a nonprofit organization. I have a book series. I have an app. I'm working toward being able to go out more and do speaking engagements and just teach. It's a whole edutainment package, and it can be delivered to people through digital mediums or face-to-face. So literally have information that's available for your smart boards in your classrooms, your smartphones, your smart TVs, your tablets. Like I said, I can present information in front of you physically. And to me, On the Shoulders of Giants is important because I get a chance to unveil the stories of our sung and unsung heroes who have done tremendous things in our past, and these stories are here to empower the people who can come across these stories. Our history is hidden for a reason, and in my opinion, our history is hidden from us by our oppressors, because if we really find out who we truly were, we will work hard to change our situation. And I believe that we have what we need to change our situation. We have the greatness within us. We just need to understand and remember who we are, where we come from. And that's what On the Shoulders of Giants serves as a medium to be able to teach the people who are able to enjoy On the Shoulders of Giants, learn from On the Shoulders of Giants, who we are, where we come from, and just how powerful and impactful our ancestors and our history is, and how impactful we are as people who are alive today, black people, African people who are alive today. And On the Shoulders of Giants is a beacon of empowerment to be able to continuously pour knowledge into those. I want to be able to use means of not just the videos, not just the speaking engagements, not just the blog, but taking children who otherwise wouldn't have these opportunities and doing actual research and letting them find out the information firsthand and really understand the greatness our ancestors and the people within our past have had, and let them know that you truly do stand on the shoulders of giants. So that's what I'm here to do. That's what I'm all about. So I just ask that you please be a part of my journey, and I love you all. And we're here on the Shoulders of Giants. We stand on the shoulders of those who really, really, really decided to be great. So that's why the greatness is within us. Peace out.